Hi, my name's Ian Weintraub and I'm the Development Manager at Lacey Group, and I'm delighted to bring you this month's project update at Monroe, Palm Beach. Throughout the month of August, the weather has been largely fine with no wet weather events impacting the construction program. Our principal contractor, Hutchinson Builders, has reported the following construction update. Basement 2 suspended slab has been completed. Basement 2 vertical elements have been completed. Basement 2 shotcrete retention system has been 90% completed. Basement 1 suspended slab has been 50% completed. Looking ahead, key construction activities targeted to occur over the next month include completion of Basement 1 suspended slab and shotcrete retention system, and commencement of Level 1 and 2 suspended concrete slabs. Based on current program, building completion is anticipated for late Q2 2023.